That is the trail we're setting it through today. After storms here in Florida, tropical storms, hurricanes, everything gets shifted around here. All the sawgrass moves from one side to the other, creating different paths. So now we have a new path. I've never been down this path. There could be a dead end at the end, but there's only one way to find out.
Don't let me leave, Murph! No! 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 No!
You broke it.
So what I'm doing right now is changing the props so that I can have some weedless action. That trail is full of mud, grass, weeds, logs, rocks. But with the weedless prop, I can just gun through that full speed. We are ready to send it through the swamp. There's no way I'm making it through all that. Look at all that. No, it's too much grass. There's not enough water where my prop can reach. Looks like we hit a dead end for the boat. I'm just gonna turn back around and find another place to rip through the swamp. All right, well, I made it out of that place, whatever that place was. So we're just gonna go find a new one. I think this might be the end of the line though. I mean, there's physically nowhere else I can go now. There's just sawgrass. But I made it pretty far. But now the fun part is over. The most muscle killing part is on the way back. Longtails don't have reverse, so I'm so glad I put ice in this water. Mother hip deep water. I haven't been stuck like that in a long time. As soon as I got in the water, something bit me on my leg, which is extremely suspicious.
No, 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 no.
What's your emergency?
Yeah, listen. We f***ed up.
For my status right now, hip deep in the water. The trail closed up on me with the wind. This entire wall of thousands of pounds of sawgrass just started closing up on me as I was making my way through the trail, and it me over last second, and now I'm literally on land right now. So just trying to pull this back through the trail just to try to get the prop of the longtail in the water so I can gun it out of here. Okay, I actually cannot see the prop anymore, and that's a good thing because that means that the propeller is in the water. That allows me to move forward through all this shit. At one point, that entire area looked like this. Open trail. And as I was going through, the wind from the storm pushed it all together and it squeezed me in the middle of that. So I was so I cannot believe I just pushed through there. There's not even a there. It's nothing. That's what I was stuck in. I got on the water because I had to. There's no other option. Or stay out here forever. Happy 4th of July, folks. We're gonna try to get out of here. Next part of the trail that changed, right here. We're gonna try to gun it through there, get to the other side. We made it! I don't know where the f I am now.